Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, I am so glad you stopped by, and to everyone who tuned in for my very first property vlog, thank you from the bottom of my heart. If you haven't caught it yet, don't worry, it's live and waiting for you. Be sure to give it a watch and drop your comments. Your feedback really helps shape what we do next. But wait, don't go anywhere just yet.
तो रुको जरा सबर करो.
I have got something special lined up for you in this one. So make sure you stick around till right the end. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming. So, why are we here today? We kicked off the morning on a quest to find a home that blends premium luxury and lush green surroundings with wide open spaces, all located in one of the most sought after neighborhoods. Sounds like your dream home too, correct? But guess what? Your search ends right here. NBR has just launched a brand new exclusive property that checks all these boxes and more premium, spacious, green, and perfectly positioned. So, are you ready to explore this hidden gem with me? Let's dive in here. Here we go. Welcome to NBR Soul of the Seasons in Bulur off Sarjapur Road, Bangalore. An exclusive collection of ultra luxurious 3 BHK flats by the renowned NBR Group. Before starting, let's talk few words about NBR Group. This group has served from the last 25 years in the projects in Sarjapur, Bagalur, Hosur. They are trusted name in plotted and apartment developments. Let's step on to the site. This is where Tower 1 of the development has officially begun taking shape. We are standing on a sprawling 9.65 acres of prime real estate. And guess what? 88% of it is dedicated to open green spaces. Sounds dreamy, correct? This project features 4 towers, each soaring a ground of plus 26 floors, bringing the total to an impressive 594 units, all thoughtful designed as spacious 3 BHKs. And here is a key highlight. Mivan construction is being used. That means aluminium framework, super precise casting, smoother concrete finishes, and less rework. So the quality is consistently at top notch. Mark your calendar, it's a 2029 handover. Yep, 4 years from now. But that also means a strong, durable structure built with modern tech. They're also offering a generous 42% of your allotted space as UDS, undivided share of land, which means more green space and community areas included in the pricing. Location wise, on the three sides, you will find charming independent homes and smaller 5 floor apartments, a peaceful, non dense neighborhood. And behind this, there is a government lake, so expect cool breezes and serene backdrop. With towers over 20 floors high, every apartment will enjoy natural airflow and sweeping green views, a real breath of fresh air every time you step out. And for easy access, the building faces a 40-foot wide road at the front, making commute convenient and adding it to the premium feel. Finally, it's a fully RERA approved property, and the pre launch offers are live, so it's a golden opportunity to book your unit early. Each flat here is a 3 BHK and you have got two layout options. 3 BHK plus 2 toilets sized between 1450 to 1505 square feet. 3 BHK plus 3 toilets spanning 1622 to 1826 square feet. Isn't that spacious? Yeah. A grand entrance awaits us soon as we step into flat. Each apartment has its own dedicated foyer, created a refined welcome as you step in. Since property is in pre-launch phase, so model flat is still under construction. And here is something special. Every bathroom is fitted with premium Kolar fixtures. Now, about the balcony lovers, this is a perfect choice for you. Every unit boasts two balconies, perfect for your morning view or evening unwind. Plus, massive full height windows flood your rooms with natural light, great for mood and vibes. We discussed much about flat. Now let's see what are there in amenities. Oh my god, it will be a lengthy vlog if I'll talk about amenities. So detailed amenities list are there in your screen. Apart from regular amenities, NVR Group is providing fruit grove, meditation lawn, flower garden, dense planting, tech walk, pet park, artificial lily pond. The most exciting part that they are justifying their tagline, Soul of Seasons, for which they are importing thousands of saplings for dense plantation as well as seasonal fruit, veggies and flower plantation. When it comes to connectivity, this property truly stands out. It is surrounded by top tier amenities. Premier schools such as Ravi Shankar Vidya Mandir and Greenwood School are just a short 0.1 kilometer to 5 kilometer away, a perfect choice for families. World class healthcare is within easy reach. Hospitals like Apollo Hospital, Sakra Hospital is merely 6 to 11 km from your doorstep. For commuting, the nearest railway link is Karmilaram station, approximately 4 km away, while Kudathi Gate bus stop is just 2.2 km down the road. For professionals working in IT, this is a dream location. It is strategically close to major campuses like Wipro Global Tech Park and RGA Tech Park. When it comes to pricing, basic cost price is rupees 8,200 square feet, which is negotiable as pre-launch offer is going on. So, including other charges like clubhouse, amenities cost, IDC charges, and GST, a property of 1,446 square feet, which is a starting dimension, will cost you around 1.37 CR. Detailed cost breakup charges are there in your screen. Well. You all might be thinking whether we should buy it or not. So let me help you a bit. Before that, opting for any financial investment, please consult with your financial advisors. Coming back to property, if you are looking for a comfortable 3 BHK luxury spacious premium property with all amenities and connectivity, then this will be an ideal choice for you. And as per current market price, NVR is providing a reasonable base price. Moreover, NVR is a trusted group in real estate market. So please comment what is your thought and do comment what type of property video you are looking for next. And yes, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next vlog. Till then, bye bye.